Yep. Welcome, our wonderful horror fantasy soldiers and our wonderful female horror fantasy soldiers on my YouTube channel, Swain's Island. Today is Thursday, and we're sitting here together on a Thursday morning, but on a very late Thursday morning. And this is okay how it is. What's going on, Money? What's going on? Was ist denn los? Was möchtest du? Yeah, you can sit on my legs. It's not possible right now. I have a couple of advertisers because we wanna go in the supermarket today. Not me. The Moss Princess will drive to the supermarket for us today. Thank you so much. Antidepressiva. This is our depression channel here too. It's not my only depression channel, yeah? This is my second depression channel. Next to the channel, no, it's my third one. Next to the German version La Etterfrau and our channel from Die Regenkönigin. It's a channel for Krimskrams in the office bureau and or otherwise in bureau office, you know. It's so how it comes. But today is very important for me to check out the advertisers, because here we have to read, or we read it's for Thursday, but in German is it Donnerstag. And today is Thursday, the 16th October. And I will... Oi. Hello. So, and I have this pill on my tongue, Molly, that's very so crazy. No, this is really? Yeah. That was very disgusting. Thank you so much. But I don't want to drink water when I have my oat milk here with vegan cow, of course. This is so much more tasteful. So first thing is, Mousy Housey, do you have a pencil and piece of and here under my ass is the list. I'm sitting on the list.
Hop.
Really? Hop. Got. In English. Got it. So this is now happening. Tea is falling on my advertised papers. Happy? No. Yes, this is we have, but this is not for you, Mousy, but it is to show you this. We have here a couple of beautiful towels, because I want to buy a new towel for Marlon, or better saying 2 new towels for Marlon, because the old ones can we use for other things here in the castle, to clean the castle. It's okay. So I need, for example, the direction of Lidl will be very important for today, because here is in trousers and black tights. It's in thermal tights. But this is not the real thing for now. And we wanna eat our breakfast here with a lot of lentils. a lot of proteins with Maggi. The big bottle, of course. Mm-hmm. Yo, yo, yo. Got it, got it, got it. Thank you so much. And you're waiting for my answers, but I think it didn't come too fast for you. Mm-hmm. Because I have to check out my newspapers, my advertises with a bit time. Mm-hmm. This means here in Lidl, if it is Lidl, definitely, then I have this, what is it, coupon for maybe the bottle of Kong Strong, because it's vegan, or this rolled, this what is it in English? Laugenbrötchen. Laugenbrötchen. Can someone tell me what is Laugenbrötchen in English before I have to Google it for now? Here my mobile phone comes not an answer back. Comes no one out of my mobile phone and can tell me, yes, Laugenbrötchen is something like Laugen rolls. Laugen rolls. And then this is Thursday too. Here gives that this is my favorite meal time from the not company. The brand is not important, but it's paella, vegan paella. This is something like ocean fruits, you know. Mm-hmm. This is really delicious paella. Can you write on your list? Definitely, it's very delicious. So that we have it, and we need for vegan mashed eggs with pumpkin. We need an yogurt, a naturally yogurt. Yes. And then first advertise from Lidl is done. That was it for Lidl. With Lidl, is it fine? And then we can, no, I wanna give you the, here is it, the first page for the type of thermal leggings, please, so that you know what I mean. Then we have another advertise newspaper. And this is a real newspaper which we didn't need for now. And yes, I hurry up, of course. 10 kilograms of potatoes. It's a little bit too much, or? And can you bring me, no, I need a hanky again. I have become a second cold. Yes. It's I have a throat pain and a leaving nose, and hard leaving nose. You can't believe me. You can't believe it. You can't believe it. You can believe me, yes, of course. But you can't believe it how hard it really is when the mobile phone, when the vlog is out. This is really hard. Okay, this is another advertised. Brussels sprouts was it in the last week? Carrots, we have enough carrots here for this week. And do you drive to Netto or not?
How you want?
How I want. This is the question. Was something in Netto important?
No.
Here the pretzel sticks, the vegan pretzel sticks, in dark chocolate format.
so?
They are really they are not so expensive. What is the opposite from expensive? Forget it again.
No.
No. Mm-mm. Günstig? What is günstig? I haven't.
Warte.
Günstig? Cheap, yes. It's really cheap. In this week, it's just free Zacken and 50 cent. Really, it's very good. I think this will be a little bit worthy for the last time before it's Christmas. Please, for my double chin, please. I wanna do everything for you. Okay, so this is today my first vlog of free, okay? So you know it. In the second vlog, we wanna prepare the castle for this is just a preparing for decoration. We wanna decorate the castle for Halloween time. But before we can do it, we have to prepare a lot of other things to can start. And the third vlog is I want to read something out from a biography from Gil O'Farrill. Yes, this is my third vlog, but in the evening time. Then here, do you want to have chips or not? No? No chips? No, it's not Saturday. And yes, pretzel sticks. Pretzel sticks. Do you need your LED light bandlet?
No.
Why not? You have your own money?
No.
I don't need it.
You don't need it? You can buy two ones.
No.
You wait until your walls are colored? Okay, dokie. Are you sure? Here is in cover bed, in this advertise is in cover bed with material from 100% polyester. In the other advertise of an other discounter, we become I wanna hurry up for now. We would become a cover bed which is very, very long with 1500 grams with the feathers of ducks. That's so disgusting. So disgusting. Because how many ducks will be so very oh goodness, so very disgusting. Handle it for fucking one cover bed. You know what I mean? That's so disgusting. I can't find the right words for so empathy-less peoples. For so this is a drama. I can't I can't imagine how what a kind of peoples these are. To take feeling beings and did to some of them so much pain. This is the disgustingest and social thing of the whole wide world to do with animals which have the same feelings and the same anxious and the same pains how we self. How is it possible? I definitely choose my friends definitely so hard wisely, and before someone else isn't not a type of a human who is so carefully with other beings like with ourselves, these persons have not to be in the middle of my life, so long as they didn't know what they do, the pure, for example, the pure unexpectings, then it's very sad to know that they didn't have the same information like we. But I mean, these kind of enemies who know exactly what they are doing and what other animals have to 100% pain before they die. This is definitely too sick for a real world where love is the point, and so long have these peoples nothing to search in the middle of our wonderful horror fantasy soldiers. This was the words from this video on a Thursday in my first vlog, and that was definitely something what I want to share with you and with everybody who isn't not informed, not yet informed like we. But every expert was once a beginner, and we have the power to become more and more knowledge about everything. Knowledge is power. Share your wisdom, share your knowledge for the animals, do something, the animals. And then we have definitely the power. Okie dokie, my beautiful, wonderful horror fantasy soldiers of the whole wide world. All of you knows you may only hit the follow button when you eat a cruelty-free diet and lead a vegan ethical lifestyle too. Thank you so much for watching. Mwah. We see us in the second vlog. I hope we see us in the second vlog. If not, then not. If yes, then cheer. Okay, kisses from heaven. Kisses from the Swain's Island. Yes, we see us. Bye bye. No, bye bye, ass antlers. Bye bye, Ascheway.